Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be using this kit from Nicole Hutch Designs. She is on Etsy, and I'll be using this to set up my monthly view in my Hobonichi. And I'm going to also be using this super cute kit from Jane's Diary. Everybody knows her as Mimi. And I am not a budget planner, so I don't do budget plan with me's. But I do like to use the kits because one, they're cute, and then two, it is a helpful way for me to track my bills throughout the month. And I'm going to use the notes section. So we're going to go ahead and get started setting up. You can kind of see my May spread peeking out on the side. I'm going to move that post-it note and we're going to get started. Now when I do my monthly views, when I decorate them, I typically use the same process that I do when I'm planning for the week. It's just as things come up and dates occur, I add them in, but I always still have some things that I know in advance that are set in stone, so I go ahead and write them in. Now typically I like to use an erasable pen for my monthly spread just because things happen, and once you put them in there in ink, they're there, they're not going anywhere. So all I'm doing now is just adding the top washi that came with this kit. And this kit is super cute. If y'all aren't shopping as well as following Nicole Hutch Designs on Instagram and Etsy, y'all make sure you do so. Now, and I love the kits where the dates come already on the strips. Y'all already know how I feel about that. It saves time and it makes it easy, especially with a Hobonichi being so small. You know, who really has time to lay down all the strips and then all the date dots? So the way most of the Hobonichi monthly kits work, the days where they're like June 1st start on a Saturday, so the rest of the days are blank, and then the coordinating dates will match the box. So it's not a thing where you have to use, you know, your brain. You just pretty much lay them down how they are, and it's pretty much in order. If you can see the kit to the left, the dates for the left side of the Hobonichi is on the left side of the kit, and the dates for the right side of the Hobonichi monthly view is on the right. So it's, like I said, it's not rocket science. The hardest thing is just making sure you lay it even, and making sure that it's not you know, out of place, basically. And with these kits, they are removable, so they are perfect. So it doesn't matter how many times you lay these down or kind of rub them down hard. You know how we like to press our stickers on our pages once we finish. When you do that, you can still pull these up. And another thing to be mindful, like if you're not sure if a kit is removable, well, stickers are removable, you can pretty much tell because the sticky part is almost like a, I don't want to say like a film, but it doesn't feel stickerish, if that makes sense. Like stickers is like sticky, sticky, sticky. The removable ones are almost like tacky, gluey kind of feel. So if you're having a hard time figuring out, or if you threw away your receipt and you don't know if they're removable, you can tell by the way it feels. Like if it doesn't feel like sticker, then it's removable. So on this side, I'm just adding the little tracking box because, you know, I try to use as much of the stickers that are in the kit as possible because, one, they're so cute. I mean, you don't want to waste them. And she does indicate the specific holidays that are in your regular calendar. So if you go, you know, to the store, the calendar shop, office shop, and you buy your calendars, and it has, you know, the holidays for that month, the kit comes with those holidays, so you don't have to have separate stickers or pull from another sticker sheet. And as you can't really see because I'm out of frame, but I do have some birthdays coming up this month, and I actually put the wrong birth date. I put my bonus dad's birthday on Father's Day, but it's actually the day before. So I don't know if I went back and moved them before or after, but she has some really cute balloon and little birthday cake stickers to kind of indicate what birthdays. And then the 18th is my mom's birthday, as well as my bonus dad's anniversary. And those script stickers came from Scribbles. It's so many Scribbles companies. I forgot off the top of my head, but which one. Well, I'll make sure I leave the name of the shop below, but I want to say it's like Scribbles Sticker Co., if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. Yeah, but I'll leave the correct name, because y'all know I do not get nothing right. That's a shame. I need to do some mind exercises. So now what I'm doing is just using these decorative boxes on the dates that I know that I really don't have anything to document. And for the most part, I didn't want to use them all up on the days on the calendar, because on this particular monthly view, Sunday through Friday was still technically June, and I could have used all of those decorative box stickers to block that off, but I just wanted to spread them throughout the spread, just because, if I don't have a lot of plans, I can always go back and add some more stickers. I have those fun like emoji stickers from Coffee Monster Co. and Shine Sticker Studio, Elaine Michelle Studios. Y'all know I love my bits. I need to get some more bits. And stickers by Rhonda. So that's why I've been like really ODing on buying a lot of those stickers, because they're so cute in my Hobonichi. So anyway, I'm laying these box stickers on every Tuesday, because if y'all don't know, my husband and I, we do ministry together, and every Tuesday we do Real Life with Lorez and CheKesha. And if you're ever in the Richmond, Virginia area on a Tuesday, you can stop by. We at 7825 Midlothian Turnpike, Suite 111, and we start at 7:30, and we try to have you in and out, because we know, we do life. So we're not trying to have you in there all night, not unless the Spirit tells us to. So this is my spread, and I'm loving it. And yeah, like I said, I didn't change the date. So now we're going to go ahead and get into laying these stickers down for my budget tracker. And so like I said, all I'm really tracking are the bills that I have for the month. So on this left side, that's where I'll be listing my bills. And I like to be able to see my bills, because you would think I would memorize them, as many as I have. But when I'm out and about, or like I'm at work and I'm like, dang, what's due? And because I keep my catch-all at home, which houses my Erin Condren Petite Planner that I do my budgeting in, I don't have it with me. So it's a good way to use the notes section as well, because I really wasn't using it for anything. And so now all I'm doing is taking some of this bottom or the thinner washi and putting it at the bottom. Again, it's nothing fancy with my budget spreads, but I really wanted y'all to see this kit. It is so stinking cute. So if y'all aren't following her, and if you haven't shopped with Jane before, make sure you go shop at Jane's Diary. And so because it only comes with one thicker washi, what I decided to do was to use 2 of the thinner strips, which equals to the same size as that bigger one. And all I'm going to do right here is just put my expense tracker there. And this is where I will write out, like when I go to the grocery store, or if I buy stickers, because y'all know I'm still buying stickers, but I'm trying to do better. I really am. I really am. Trust me, I am. And so right here, I'm just adding the description section, so I know, what I bought, when I bought it, and what I spent. And then again, just putting another one of these decorative strips at the bottom. And I know y'all probably like, okay, you're gonna waste that whole kit. I may use that on the monthly part, if it's something in particular that I want to track. But for the most part, they'll probably just go in my stash, because I do like to stash all of my stickers, because you never know when you're going to use it. So now all I'm doing is using my points or my 01 Tombow mono drawing pen to make my lines. That way I can, make sure I keep things within the categories. I'm not going to do any horizontal lines because I'll probably write fairly small enough where I don't have to. Or I may do that after I go through, like after each line item, I might do a line after. It just depends. And all I'm using is this plastic ruler. And I did kind of mess up a little bit, but that's because I was doing the most and I should have been taking my time. But it's still cute. And the colors are absolutely gorgeous. And I'm not in any sorority, but it seems like I'm always being drawn to AKA colors, pink and green. I don't know, maybe if I don't know. I ain't gonna say. But, to all of my AKAs that are following me and that are subscribed to my channel, shout out to you, to all of y'all. And if nothing else, get the kit because it match our colors. Go support my girl. So as I add these last few lines, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this video up. Again, this was just showing you how I set up my monthly view and how I'll be tracking my bills and my expenses in my Hobonichi weeks for the month of June. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment below. And don't forget to check out the description box for all the shops that I mentioned, as well as my discount codes. And as well, share this with your Hobonichi friends so they can be inspired to set up their Hobonichi with me. So until next time, loves, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.